Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Ritu. Where are you?
Fine, sir.
Good to see you back on the webinar front. Let me get you online first, Ritul.
I'm having network issues. I'll just, sir.
Ritul.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. All the ladies and gentlemen, please keep your videos on. Please see the video. Surbhi, Amol, Harshal, Salone, Yogeshwari, Pankaj, Yash, and kindly remove your mask, please, friends. Need not worry about anything. Wherever you are safe. What you think you get. Don't think about anything what you don't want, and you never get them at all. Rutul, what attire are you into? I can't see you. I can't position you. Are you there?
Sir, yes, sir.
Oh, Rutul, you're not seen. That's why. Are you
Sir,
spotlighted?
I can see everyone.
Yeah. Yes. I'm trying to. No, but I can't. We can't. Can anybody see Rutul?
No, sir. No, sir.
Rutul, we can't see you.
Sir,
Your video is on, but you are not visible to us.
sir, I'll join once again.
Yeah, please log out and log in again, please.
Sir, am I visible now?
Yes, very distinctly you are visible. Good. Nice to see you. And
Thank you, sir.
it's really good that you are here. Give me a minute to formally introduce you to the newcomers. Yeah, can everybody see both of us, Ritul and myself?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Pravil, you can go ahead with it now. Yes, it's pleasure welcoming you here today, Rutul, with your grand success that you've hit, and you really come out with a great bang, and making yourself worthy of holding the second position. And really, you've done great proud to not only we, but to your parents, to the school, and the entire lobby of people, who are around. See, it's something really good to find you doing so well in life. And each one of us has to take a lesson that there is no substitute to hard work and perseverance. You see the result, how he has been onto it. Lage raho, date raho, till your success is achieved by you. And I'm pretty sure that you would get what you want in life. It's okay, Vardha, continue the way you are. You are cooking. You can continue till the videos is off for a while. Once you finish your cooking, come back online. But you will be reading your message only with your video on. And without wasting too much of time, you all know what he has done. So before he commences his part of it, others would be on. So people are still trickling in. We have got good 23 of you, another 22 of you, including me and Rutul, it makes 24. So we will start from the beginning, and each one of you will read out your congratulatory message to him. And to begin with, I have got a message from none other than Captain Murthy. Rutul, are you aware of Captain Murthy?
Yes, sir.
Who is
We
he?
have had, sir, SSB webinars with him.
Yes, Captain Murthy is a very old and a dear friend, and he has been into all these things in a very big way, and he is one of the most uh, promising personality when it comes to anything good, and hostla afzai for anybody. It's
Yes, sir.
something great to know about him. The man has really taken all the pains to ensure that he conveys. He's actually sailing as of now. I'm reading his message, and mind you, each one of you has got lots of, rather you do one thing, I'll read this message at the last because there is
So
a lot of learning.
that will be
Sorry.
a good climax, sir. That will be
Yeah,
a good climax.
yeah, let me read it at the last because it's one of the finest messages. And Ravil, just remind me to ensure that we pass on the link to everybody. I'm muting everybody. So whoever has to speak has to get into again and get himself oblique herself muted. Yeah, all of you are muted because there was little noise coming from the background. Bhavna Tomar. Bhavna, have I met you earlier?
Yes, sir, I am Dia. Earlier, I joined with Dia name.
With?
Dia Thakur.
Okay, you joined with Dia Thakur. You are correct your name then. Remove Bhavna Tomar से अपना actual नाम डाल दो बेटा.
हाँ सर, वो क्या था, मेरा स्कूल में नेम भावना था ना, तो मैंने अभी स्कूल की क्लास छोड़ के वाली क्लास ज्वाइन की है ना,
No
उससे।
issues. No issues. Continue with Bhavna.
ओके।
So you are also dual name purpose, huh? Good. Okay, fine. So we start right from here. We have got Hemant Tank on the top list. Yeah, Hemant, go ahead with your message and you are added here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Rutul, I'm really happy for you, man. I'm glad to know that finally you have been selected for the Indian Army, which is something you have been waiting for so long. Many, many congratulations, Rutul, for your success you have achieved in your life. It's a very happy moment for all of us. Wish you a very good luck. And I can visualize you holding Sword of Honor in POP. So, best wishes to earn that also, sir.
Thank
Really
you
happy
so
for
much,
you,
Am.
man. Yeah.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much, man. Yeah.
Looking forward to see you all in the
Thank you.
uniform.
Thank you very much, man. Thank you.
Yeah, so next in the series is Shamil Chaudhary. Chaudhary, Shamil, go ahead with your message, beta.
I heartily congratulations to Rutul Patel for his succession and hello.
Yeah,
Yes,
go ahead,
Armin.
go ahead, Shamil, you are audible.
I heartily congratulations to Rutul Patel and for his succession.
Excellent.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead, बच्चे. सुनाई दे रही है आवाज
वॉल्यूम
तेरी.
सर का वीडियो
Harshal,
नहीं दिख रहा है.
Achyut, Vedant, Harshal, keep your videos on, beta. Yeah, next, Shweta. Go
Thank you,
ahead.
Sharmin.
Yes, sir. Hearty congratulations to Rutul sir for achieving All India rank second in SSC Tech 55 for Electronic and Communication branch in Indian Army. Your hard work, determination, discipline, and patience had paid today. Even after receiving so much rejection several times, you consistently worked hard in the best way you can, and you have always corrected us whenever we failed to do something wrong. And you have guided us in a very good way. You gave us an awesome example to inspire by your selection, and we all are really proud of you. And may you get more and more success in your life. I would love to follow your path in my way and get success too. Thank you for always correcting and motivating us. I would like to make Vyas sir proud on me too, as you did. And at last, congratulations and best wishes for your upcoming life in Indian Army. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shweta, and I'm sure Vyas sir will hold a webinar for you too very soon.
Thank you so much.
Shweta, it's a wonderful message, beta, and I would like all who are present here to take a clue from what Shweta has written or what you are going to hear about Captain Murthy, or very many of them who have not been able to join the webinar, but they have wonderful messages for each and every achiever. That's why you have not realized, but I've given the name of our broadcast list as Achievers of India. Okay, whichever field you are in, I for one would always appreciate you doing so well. Shweta, I appreciate your efforts and
Thank
look
you, sir.
forward to every one of us, trying to put across such lovely messages. We have a person who has just met me today evening. by name Achyut Joshi. So I'm going to tell Achyut now to immediately get going and now read out his message to Rutul, what he wants to convey to him.
Good evening, sir, Rutul and everyone.
Just a minute. Let me highlight you first. Let me spotlight you so that each one of us can see you when you talk, because you are like a Nai Dulan who has just joined in the family. So let all of you have the darshan of yours first. I see. Naina Ben, it's pleasure seeing you. Let me first introduce you one of my, a very, very sporty friend. Here is, we have a Naina Ben Gida. She has been, if I may spell it correctly, she was brain of Nirmala Convent, Rajkot once upon a time. She happened to be, a first child of all the siblings of one of the human beings on this planet who had a great role to play in my life. I owe my joining Sainik School and joining Indian Army to her dad, who happened to be the superior officer of my father. And it's all thanks to him that he pushed me to join Sainik School at the age of 9. Mind you, he was the gentleman who did appear for SSB some point in time. Naina Ben, can you hear me? Naina Ben, are you hearing me? Naina Ben, am I audible to you? Anyway, it's not for her, it's for the rest of you to listen to what I'm talking. And it's really pleasure to say that she has logged in here moment I sent the message to all my near and dear ones. She has always been, near to my family and dear to all of us. So without wasting time, we'll come to the next speaker, that is supposed to be Achyut Joshi. Achyut, where are you? Let me highlight you first. Achyut. Yeah, Achyut, let me spotlight. Here you get spotlighted for everybody. Yes, Achyut, go ahead with your message to Rutul.
Good evening, sir, Rutul and everyone here.
Yeah, Achyut, go ahead.
First of all, congratulations, Rutul, for being selected at one of India's esteemed organization, that is Indian Army. And that too at standing at such a highlighting and shining position, that is second rank in the merit list. Becoming a warrior is not an easy task for anyone in the country, and you have done it. So you become one of them. So congratulations again, and may your journey at Indian Army be as you have imagined and successful. Thank you.
Excellent, Achyut.
Thank you so much, Achyut.
Achyut is from Rajkot. He has appeared for FCAT twice, cracked it, and he has been conferenced out twice in the past. And today was the first day when he happened to meet me in the afternoon. And it's my utmost pleasure to see that he is here to congratulate you, Ratul. When he came, he did.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
And he is joined along with his cousin. She's also going to be here with us. I think she's already there with us. Achyut's cousin, are you there? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Please come online. Where
Yes,
are you?
sir.
Yeah, Urvi. Here is Urvi for you, Rutul.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Go ahead with your message for. Yeah.
Hey everyone. I, Urvi Joshi, wishing you many congratulations for the successive step towards your dream. Securing second position at all India level is very much big achievement, which is cannot be and cannot compared. You go one step ahead, your and hard work today, but the mountain is high, and your deep confidence climb at the top. With your courage, with glory shall come more challenges and obstacles in life ahead. For face the same courage ahead, determination and such will keep following. enjoying it. Once again, many congratulations. Good luck. Proud of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Murvi. Thank you so much. Means a lot.
Urvi, you are a little, intermittent in your, voice. I would request you to put it on the WhatsApp. I'll pass it on to Rutul and to the crowd on our forecast list so that everybody gets to read what you've written. Beautifully you've done. You've done a wonderful job of it. Nainabin, if you are ready for congratulatory message, please let me know. I would like to put you also across. Are you ready with it now?
Yes,
Oh, wonderful. Nainabin, can you hear me?
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Here is the lady I told you. I don't know whether she could hear me. તમને મારો અવાજ સંભળાતો હતો when I was talking about Papa?
And now I'm hearing you.
Yeah, I had just informed everyone that your dad, erstwhile superior officer of my father, who was instrumental in sending me to the Sainik school. And incidentally, Rutul, his father, both are from Sainik school, though miles junior to me otherwise. But of course, it's just by having one couple of decades before them that one was placed at that pedestal. What Rutul is going to now follow very shortly. And it's pleasure introducing you to this lovely lot of achievers of India who really put this profession in very high esteem, and that's why they are all here. So it's something very encouraging for me to find you here today. A lady who has been a brain of Nirmala all her life, and she has done lots of good to all of us in great many ways. She has always treated me like a younger brother. She has been a wonderful friend all through my life, and not only her dad, but even she has been a point of inspiration for me when I used to meet her as a young kid of 5 years or 6 years of age. She's just about a year and a half or two elder to me, but again doing very well for herself in life, with all the odds and events of life that she has rolled over all these years. She has faced it like a true warrior. So in a great many ways, she too is a warrior. Without wasting time, over to Nainabin. Please go ahead.
Oh, thank you,
Good evening.
Prakash bhai. Good evening. Congratulations, Mr. Rutul, for achieving All India second position for Electronics and Communication branch for Indian Army. You are the real son of Mother India. All those who join the Indian Army and dedicate their lives to serve the nation are really the worthiest sons of Mother India. May God bless
Thank you
you
so much, sir.
and be with you and fulfill all your wishes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nainabin, it's been a wonderful surprise for this webinar of mine, and I really appreciate your concern to come and congratulate my student. But let me tell you, he has been all through a wonderful human being, and I'm very certain he'll achieve lot many more laurels in life ahead, and do proud
Thank you,
to
sir.
Sainik School Balachadi, but to each one of us. And there is lot to learn from him, which I will be telling him to reveal it to people, the secret of his success, the way he has gone about it. And it's been really nice of him to make himself available today when he would have been addressing thousands of phone calls, with the kind of reputation that he carries, not amongst achievers of India group, but also amongst each and every human being who is here or there, anywhere, who is connected with him. Next, I would request Akshay to go ahead with his message. Yeah, Akshay, go ahead.
First of all, congratulations, Rutul. Your dedication towards works is really inspiring. And second, would I like to say that I feel very proud that I am doing preparation with you and you make it. So it gives a very proud feeling to us. And once again, congratulations.
Thank you, Akshay.
Well said, Akshay. I appreciate the way you're going to take clue from him and get going. Huh? Next in the line is Bhavna. Go ahead, Bhavna.
Congratulations, Bhaiya. I
Thank
really
you.
love this field. I'm so happy that you achieved this. I will also try to do something like this.
Definitely you
Bhavna,
will.
not sufficient enough. 100 words were minimum. You have to add something more.
Actually, sir, I don't have words to tell about this. It's so tough to achieve like this in our life, and Bhaiya achieved this so amazing.
Very good. Wonderful. Wonderful, beta. Keep it up. It's a good encouraging thing and always add on to it. Yes. Who's next? Maiman. Go ahead, beta.
Yes, sir. On this big day, I wish you to be like a tree, always grounded, always keep growing. And may your shadow of happiness always keeps growing. Looking forward to see you in the olive greens with 2 stars on the shoulder. Take care. Thank you.
Only 2 stars.
Definitely.
Let's have a bloody a
Basically,
sword and
we'll
couple of
start
more things with it, yeah.
2 stars, sir.
Yeah, start with and say so. Say so, start with, yeah. Don't
Okay,
just
sorry, sir.
that.
So start with 2 stars.
Yeah, begin with
Sorry,
2 stars.
sorry, sir.
Yes, and now
begin
the
with
let's
2 stars on the shoulder.
complicate. Let's have all the 3. A star,
Yes, sir.
a Ashoka Taj, and a crossword as well. What does that make it?
Yes, sir.
What does it make?
General.
What, sir?
What does it make when you have all the 3 on the shoulder? The Ashoka Taj,
Means you
star,
are
and
at the
a
highest post,
crossword.
General.
Ah,
General.
ah.
But sir, now
Okay.
the post of CDS is above it.
Okay. Got it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we have the magic lady here with us. Let's now spotlight her and let her give her comment before she runs away from here. Yes, Rutul, can you recognize her?
I cannot see.
You can't see. Isn't she spotlighted?
So no one is spotlighted.
No, sir.
Spotlighted?
No, sir.
There are 3 of us spotlighted, beta. In fact, Rutul, me, and Kinnari, all 3 are spotlighted.
So you may have pinned yourself.
Sorry?
You may have pinned us.
I have not pinned them. I have spotlighted them. Okay, wait. I'll remove spotlight from everybody. I'll re-spotlight everybody now so that you can see all of us the way I want you to see. First, I'm spotlighting Kinnari. Then I'm spotlighting Rutul. Here it is. Yeah. Can you see all of us now?
Sir, actually, I have logged in through mobile, so I can only see 2 people at a time. One me and one the person who has been spotlighted.
So is it Kinnari being seen with you?
No, sir. Since you have spotlighted you on the second hand, so I can see you and me.
Yeah.
Okay, hello.
एक मिनट Kinnari, एक मिनट. Just now, can you see both of you?
Sir, on the second screen, you can see all the spotted.
Rutul, can you see Kinnari now?
Yes, sir. I can see, ma'am. Good evening,
Yes.
Okay. Hello, Rutul. First of all, I want to congratulate you for getting All India second rank in the Short Service Commission Technical Branch, Electronics and Communications in Indian Army. It is very, very toughest exam. I know that, and you have achieved it. And I could not attend your last webinar, but directly thanks to Ravel, he has sent it to me and I have attended. Some qualities I have got from your last webinar which I have observed, and I want to share it with you, which give you success and will always give you success in the life, on each and every step of your life, and that you are honest, courage, you are having courage to accept your weakness and efforts to overcome from it. And your planned preparation, dedication to your work, and your helpful nature will always. Shweta Jai is unmuted. Okay, thank you, Shweta. Your helpful nature will always bring happiness in your life, and all the best. Always try to be as good as you are right now. That is very, very difficult. Okay, but try to be as a person's principle and values That is only help him to withstand and grow up even in worsened condition of the life. Okay, and help to shine like the sun. And truthfulness and self-discipline and kind nature are the biggest weapon in the life. Okay, so never leave them. Okay, and as sir is telling always that country should be first, then team, then family, and then ourselves. Okay, so remember it. It is very important for your further future, and always be blessed by Almighty and get victory on each post of your life. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. This was a wonderful message, and I'll definitely ensure that all the values stay with me until my last breath.
And our prayers and blessing will be always with you. And you don't believe that how much I feel happy whenever I got the message from sir that this student has achieved this one and he is joining. So I'm very proud of you all youth, because that is my goal only, to send more and more people in defense. So you are not my student, but then also I'm feeling very happy to see you. Okay.
Thank
So
you
all
so
the
much,
best.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Wonderful. Kinnari, I'm proud of you and really feel good that. And let me, ladies and gentlemen, now spring a little surprise for you all. The way this magical lady did it for us on our marriage anniversary, that was on 8th of December, a day before. At 0450, she had detailed Lieutenant Jigna to tell us that we should be properly dressed. I said, what do you mean properly dressed? Okay. And there was a surprise that was in store for all of us. Many amongst you, including Ravel and all, are smiling out of glory today. They really surprised us pleasantly. And we were literally rocketed, in all respect, me and my wife Hema, on our 31st marriage anniversary. And the way that gone about it speaks volumes of your repaying in whatever form, which I appreciate. I always believe that take people along with you, and Kinnari has realized it in letter and spirit. Okay, it's something amazing. Thank you so much, Kinnari, for that. And your words of appreciation for Ritul also holds in a very high esteem. Maintain it. Maintain your cool, which you always have been. And we all have heard the DNA thing, which her daughter spoke. I think that was on yoga and pranayam webinar, not here. Or was it here, Kinnari? It was in that, na?
Right now, not.
No. That DNA thing which was spoken by Divyuti.
Yeah, that was in Chakravarti sir seminar.
Yeah, yoga.
Chakravarti sir seminar webinar.
Yes. Chalo, that's wonderful, Kinnari. Thank you so much. God bless you. Next in the line is Rana Roy. Come, Rana. Let's get going.
Namaste, everyone. First of all, I want to start with your words that success is not just the one-time process. It is a continuous path. So I would like to heartily congratulate the brave heart, dedicated and consistent person, Rutul Bhai. I am being inspired by your last session only. Belonging to the same branch, electronics and communication. You are just being a goosebump for me to serve the nation with better chance and better opportunities. The points that you have discussed, like reading newspapers, then doing core exercises, which made you achieve the success in this path, and wish you a grand success ahead also. That's all from my side.
Thank you so much, Rana. Since I missed out the rank 1, being from the same branch, I expect you to get that for me, or for yourself, or for everyone.
Thank you so much, Rutul Bhai.
Kashish.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, sir. So, hello, Rutul Bhaiya. I just congratulate you for your success. I wish you a very hearty congratulations on this pleasant occasion. And may your life always shower you with such happy and successful moments. And may this success lead to you greater achievements in the years that are going to come. And you always reach great heights and just make proud of your country. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. So it is good to know that you are speaking so fluently in the webinar now.
Excellent, excellent. That's like a good boy. Wonderful comments. कुछ सीख ले कशिश. ठीक है?
sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
Arshil, go ahead.
Am I
Arshil,
audible, sir? Am I audible?
yes, you are.
Hello?
Yeah, we can hear you. Arshil.
Okay, sir. Okay. So I would like to congratulate you, Rutul Bhai,
Thank you so
on
much,
this
Ashil.
special occasion of your achievement. Even though we didn't need a scorecard to call you our champion, right? And you have been sincere and diligent since day one. Never failed to amaze us with your sincerity, obviously. And you know what? You might be knowing Varshil Patel. He is your junior in your college. I have been constantly in touch with him and I have been asking him about you. That, અરે ભાઈ રોતુલભાઈ નું શું થયું? એ કે સ્ક્રીન ઇન થઈ ગયા છે. પછી like that I am be constantly asking him. And the day I knew that you were medically fit, you were declared medically fit, I was very happy at that moment.
So glad that you had you had so much sources again behind me. So it makes me very happy that you are so concerned. Thank you, Arshil.
Yes. Best of luck for your journey ahead.
Definitely. Thank you so much.
Yes, Pritesh, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Pritesh, go ahead.
Congratulations, Rutul, for your excellent achievement. And dedication and hard work never remains unpaid. And you are the classic example of that. And I am very delighted for your success. And I am sure this is only for the first of many proud moments for you in your future life. And thank you for the first of, thank you for whatever I learned from in past few months during the lecture session. And best wishes for your next adventure.
Thank you so much, Pritesh.
Yeah, Pritesh, that's it.
Actually, this is a very big achievement, and I think I can't express my feeling in words. And,
No issues. You write it down and express it, okay?
Yes.
Chalo, Vardha, go ahead. Yeah, Vardha, go ahead.
She is speaking,
Can
but
you
she
hear
is
me? Vardha, you remove your, unmute kar lo.
Namaste, sir. Hello, Rutul Bhaiya. Passing this examination with the second rank is the biggest deal which you convert in a second rank in all India. I'm very happy to see you, Bhaiya, on the board again. And many congratulations for to convert your many rejections in a biggest success. And it's all about your hard work and discipline towards your dreams. And I also thank you, Bhaiya, for to suggest me to read how to read a newspaper. The method you suggest me, it's really work, and I'm learning many more things from this method. And you motivate me for the lecture session also. And keep motivating us and keep smiling as you always smiling. And I on last thing I only want to tell that you life is all about your improvement. That line you told your previous lecture, it makes a mark on my heart. So thank you, Bhaiya, for all your suggestions and for your suggestions and all that. And keep smiling, keep achieving your highest success in your path, where to pass. Thank you, Bhaiya.
Excellent message,
Thank-
Vardha. You've done a wonderful job of conveying such a great message in such a beautiful manner, which is greatly appreciated.
Actually, sir, I wrote this message after starting this webinar because I'm busy with my some work in my kitchen, so I couldn't write or express my feeling well.
Good, you've done wonderful, but yet whatever commitments that you had, still you made it to such a beautiful way of expressing it. That speaks volumes of your concern for the person, and not only person, but your duty towards your comrade in your, so-called webinars that you attended together. Next, I would let me put, somebody, yes, who has always been eager. Yeah, go ahead with your message. Who is this person? Do you know Ridul?
Sorry,
Is
again,
she
I cannot
provided for
see.
you? You can't see?
No, sir. No, sir.
Can't-
But I guess it's Jigna, ma'am.
You can't see, then how could you say?
Sir, I saw her on board and I was definitely sure that it was going to be her.
Oh, great. Wonderful. In fact, she has got her MA exams going on as of now, semester 3. Today was the first paper, tomorrow is the second, but she said, no, I would like to come and wish in. That's why I let her short circuit the route and put her there so that she reads the message and then she logs out, right away. So,
Right,
see,
sir.
this is how people are so much loving you, They've got so much of love for you. They've got so much of regards for you. Without wasting time, Zigna, go ahead with your message. And I want you to leave immediately after this.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, Rutul. Hey, how are you? Congratulations, first of all. Where are you?
Ma'am, I'm right here.
Okay. Congratulations for your promotion, and you did really well. Like in your guidance, we learned a lot. Our previous lecture, that time you taught us too much, and see you now you achieve everything. So I don't just now I don't write anything for you, but I'm really happy for you. Congratulations.
Thank you so
and,
much.
all the best.
I'm really humbled to have word with you. And I'm looking forward to come to Rajkot and meet you all.
Please, because I'm eagerly waiting for you, because last same thing happened in last lecture. That time also I was really busy in my work, enrollment work, and today also I have my exams. So today also I don't have time to spend with more. So next time, whenever you free or whenever you visit, please tell us.
Definitely, ma'am. All the best for the exam, ma'am. पेंटे
Thank you.
खिलाने जल्दी आ रहा हूँ.
Okay.
सर को भी तो खिलाने हैं.
It is not just only panda. You have to again teach us. Like you have to guide us for future also.
Definitely, ma'am. Definitely.
You will you have to share your experience again, and how we will prepare. You have to teach us. Okay. So whenever
ma'am.
you have time, please. Okay.
Jigna,
Bye.
you need to ask, you can leave right away. Okay?
Okay. Bye.
Get going with your studies. Bye, Vichak.
Oh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Yeah, go ahead. Durgesh. Durgesh Marathi, are you there? Durgesh, your video has gone off. Yeah, Durgesh, go ahead with your message.
Yes, sir, I am reading, sir.
Yeah.
First of all, Bhaiya. Hello. Sir, now I am audible, sir.
Yeah, you're audible, but your video is not visible.
Sir, now?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. We can't hear you. Doesn't matter. Durgesh, just get yourself properly done up. We'll just try and see, as of now, I can't hear you.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Dhruv, have you?
Yes,
Can you
sir.
see me?
Yes, sir, I can.
Yeah,
sir.
Dhruv, are you ready with your message? Go ahead.
Yes, sir. First of all, I would wish a very good evening to one and all present on the board, and congratulations, Rutul Bhaiya, on your big success. We also know the big failures behind this success you faced. So there will be many persons who might be happy with this success, like your parents, your family members, and everyone who knows you. And you would like to follow your path on your way.
Thank you so much, Dhruv.
Avinash, are you there? Pritesh Kole, are
Yes,
you
sir.
there? Who is there? Yes, किसने बोला? Pritesh या Avinash?
Avinash.
या अविनाश क्यों घूंघट लगा के बैठा हुआ था? हाँ? Why can't I?
I'm very new on this platform, and I was
No problem.
connected to you on WhatsApp, and I got the message about Rutul Patel, and
Very
I
good.
know him because I am from Sainik School, Balachadi, and I was junior to him. And when he was in class 12th, he got SSB recommended, but he was medically unfit at that time. At that time, he was having problem in his eyes, and we felt that somehow the career in defense forces are not for him. But as Rutul Bhaiya would be knowing me, SP House Avinash, do you recognize me?
Right. I do recognize you, Avinash.
Yeah. So I was hearing your rejections and even recommendations earlier even, but when I got the message that you got second rank in SSC Tech and even you are medically fit now, so I am very happy.
Right.
And even all the Balachadians and SP House cadets would be very happy to know this. And I will be sharing this news to
Definitely.
because I feel that a very less number of boys would be knowing your junior, my batchmates or my juniors would be knowing about you. So I will be
Right.
spreading this message now because the
Definitely,
ongoing SSB of NDA 145 course results are going very low from my batch. So it would be a proud for all of them and even inspiration.
Okay,
So
wait,
that's
wait,
what
Avinash.
I have to convey.
There are people lined up and we want to listen to Rutul also. What's your roll number from school?
My roll
So
number
he
is
was in
5556, sir.
Kitna?
you were in,
Triple
sir, he
five
was
six.
in 8th standard. Avinash, you were in 8th standard, no? When I was in 12th?
Yes, we are.
2016. Right.
Yeah.
Good, good,
Yeah.
good. Nice. Avinash, nice to see you. So you got the message on
Give my
Pravashi or on Team India?
Yes, sir.
No, sir. It was message on WhatsApp. I am connected to you.
Okay, direct wala.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, good, good. Very nice. It's nice to see you here. And next in the line, I would like you to be now. Bhavna has done it, na?
Yes, sir.
Harshil Pandya, you done it?
Yes, sir.
You done it, na? Good. Achyut has done. Wished, I think now would be Urvi has done. BS Parmar. May I know, is BS Parmar there online? Yeah, Deepak, are you there? Mr. Deepak, are you there? No, no. The BS Parmar. Drashti Malavya, are you there?
Hello. Yes, sir. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. I am Deepak.
Deepak, go ahead with your message. थोड़ा घूंघट निकाल के बात करो भैया.
Sir, my dad is here. He wants
Doesn't
to
matter.
talk.
So what? So what, यार? Dad is तो क्या हो गया? Yeah.
Sir, Rutul Bhaiya is
Congratulations.
telling that his dad is there.
Yes, sir.
Oh yes, yes, Ritul. अरे भाई
Jai
केम
Hind, sir.
छिए? Hello. Can you hear me?
Hello.
हाँ रितुल.
Yes,
Jai Hind,
sir.
sir.
जय हिंद केम छो?
સર મજામાં સર હું ચોકલેટ ખવડાવવા આવ્યો હતો સર
બાપ દીકરાને ભેગા જોઈને મજા આવી ગઈ યાર. તો પહેલેથી કેમ નતો જોઈન થયો
sir.
પહેલા? પણ તારે પહેલેથી જોઈન થવું જોઈએ ને તો પછી બાપા તો પહેલા આવજો ને મારી માટે. સંભળાય છે?
અત્યારે જોબ થી આયા સર.
હેલો
સર થેન્ક યુ.
અરે નિલેશ એમાં થેન્ક યુ થોડું કહેવાનું યાર. શું વાત કરે? બાય ધ વે can you all hear Rutul તારું connectivity ઇશ્યુ કરને. I want to spotlight for papa. Hello Rutul, just spotlight papa. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Rutul, તારું દેખાતું નથી. હા.
Sir, am I visible?
You are not. You are for me. You are absolutely still.
I can see everyone. Am I visible?
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm just disconnecting this webinar for a while. All of you log in again. Okay, just log in again. There appears to be only I think Rutul, you are rest. Everybody is visible to me.
Yes.
Okay, sir. I will log in.
तो log out कर log in कर.
Yes, sir.
Their children. Okay. Rao. Who is Rao? Mr. Rao, are you there to congratulate Rutul? If you are there, please remove your. You can start your video and congratulate Rutul in your own words. I would love to see you. Mr. B.S. Parmar, are you there? Mr. B.S. Parmar, please feel free to congratulate Rutul in person if you are there. Okay. Anybody else other than Ravel who is left out so far? Anybody else who is present here and who is not congratulated Rutul so far?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am Durgesh, sir.
Durgesh, where are you?
Sir, now, sir, that time I don't have an internet connection.
क्या दुर्गेश मराठे बोलना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
वीडियो भी ऑन कर ले.
Video on, sir.
Yes, चलो. Fine. Go ahead with your message, Durgesh.
First of all, congratulations, Rutul Bhaiya. So you got commissioned in Indian Army. I am overjoyed with your success. You have done remarkable and well such a young age. My best wishes are always with you. First of all, I would like to tell you, I belong from Maharashtra. मेरे गांव से आज तक कोई इंडियन आर्मी में ऑफिसर बना नहीं है और कोई सोचता भी नहीं है कि हम बन सकते हैं. But I am trying my best to become job like you, and really I am inspiring your such a nice success. Congratulations, Rutul Bhaiya.
Yeah, are you there?
Yes.
Yeah, anybody else left out?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, नाम बोलो.
From Rutul bhai, I want to ask that there is any message to give to Balachadian from his side.
Wait. Hold your horses, man. पहले उसको अभिनंदन तो दे दो यार.
Convey me your WhatsApp number.
कौन बोल रहा है ये?
Sir, it is Avinash, sir.
अविनाश, मेरे से ले लेना बच्चे, होल्ड कर ले. है? आज ही सब कुछ पालेगा. हाँ?
नहीं.
है? जड़ी बूटी को आज ही चाहिए सारी.
I will be forwarding this message. I will be letting him talk to other Balachadians.
Worry you don't worry. आज उसको रिलैक्स करने दे, फैमिली के साथ थोड़ा एंजॉय करने दे. हाँ? Here he has, sweat out lot of his sweat here with these boys and girls. ठीक है? So let him be with them for some time. मैं तेरे को भेज दूंगा उसका नंबर, ठीक है? Don't worry. Yeah, if nobody else has got any message, yes, Ravil, go ahead with your message. Where is Ravil? Yeah, where Ravil?
Yeah, sir, I'm here.
Yeah,
Am I visible now?
yeah, you are visible, you are audible. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Well said by somebody. Hard work never disappoints anyone. From a long drive starting from Scenic School Balachedi to NDA, where getting a tag of medically unfit and change whatever he wanted to be, finally getting more chances for defense exams and SSBs. The fourth attempt and getting recommended in it after a lot of hard work and the hard time of COVID-19. And never to forget the long strokes and attempts made by the person to achieve it. Finally, today he achieves, and not with just getting into merit list, but getting in the top. Satisfied, but still he is preparing for something more, the permanent commissioning in the Indian Armed Forces. Keep going higher. We all wish you a long success for your future. Also, whatever you told, the last speech which we had with you, we talked about national education policy, about girls into the Scenic School Balachedi, and everything happened in that duration of time within 3-4 months, whatever it was. Actually, everything happened and I was just surprised. Also, you talked about the early start, which each one of us need to do for the first time ever. My exams are going to start from 12th, and for the first time, including English and Hindi, I have completed whole syllabus of mine for board examinations from now. For the first time in my life, I have done something like this. Thank you, Bhaiya. You have really inspired each one of us.
Thank you, Ravil. It means a lot to me. And getting inspired is something, getting motivated is something, but making your own path is something. So inspiration may give you a motivation, but you at the end of the day, you will have to make your own path. And I'm sure everyone, those who are there on this webinar, will make their own path. And I'm sure we'll have many more webinars wherein I'll hide my phone and I'll plug into the webinar in order to congratulate people for their success. And let's see how many are there in the series, and hope for the best. We'll see you in the academy, everyone.
Thank you.
Spirit. Good spirit, good spirit. Very nice. Yes, anyone left out of the lot that is here who has not been able to wish Rutul so far? Of course, Ravil in future.
Yes, sir.
Yes, anybody?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Who wants excuse?
Harshil.
Yeah, Harshil, bolo.
Sir, as Avinash said, he want Rutul Bhaiya's WhatsApp number, so you pass on to every one of us, sir.
Will come to you right away moment this webinar is over, okay? If you don't get it within the next 5 minutes, just revert to me. But let me tell you, please give him some time for today to stay with his family and wish him and enjoy the happiness. Father has just returned from work. So that would be my humble request to all of you, because he would not like to cut short his talk with you, and let him speak to you at length. So now he's here to share his experience, today's experience, how he feels today when he has achieved it. Finally, he has achieved it, and achieved it with a thumping victory of standing onto the right of the topper as a runners up. He is standing there on the victory stand at number 2 position. And let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, it's not a joke. It's not a joke. How many total have been there, Rutul? How many total have been selected? Rutul, are you there?
Sir, whole merit list is not out. We have been only reflected our merit in our respective profiles only.
Okay.
I was able to make out only my rank. So the whole list will be out by tomorrow, I guess.
Okay. Nevertheless, it's a great victory, beta. It's a thumping victory. You have got
Thank
a
you, sir.
feather more in your cap. Maintain it. Now, what a message you have for these boys and girls who are awaiting this message. After you pass it on, then I'll pass on the message of Captain Murthy to you. I'll read it over to you because he's on a ship sailing as of now. And
Yes, sir.
unfortunately, he is feeling so awkward that he could not wish you in person. But nevertheless, I'll make you speak to him once he's back on shore, where the connectivity would improve a little bit. Okay, over to
Definitely.
you now. Please go ahead.
So I would like to start with thanking you, sir, because you have always been a motivating factor. And it's not just a formality, but I don't know, sir, how to express my regard to you and how much contribution have you have done, how much contribution you have in my recommendation, right? Starting from the day when I reported. So you were always constantly in touch with me. Since phones were not allowed, but I'm sure if phones would have been allowed in SSB, you would have in touch with me in SSB also. So thank you so much for always being there. And I think for all those who are there in this webinar, a recommendation or a uniform on your body would be the best Guru Dakshina you can ever give to this Guru. And it's not just about the uniform, it is also about being good person in the life, and ultimately the end of life is to be good person, and that is how we all being together can change this world. So on 4th of November, the first merit list for CDS came out, and since then it's been almost over a month. I've been constantly searching the site of Indian Army, and we have been searching that we have been waiting for the merit list every day. So generally the time period for merit list to come out is from 12 to 5 p.m. So every day at 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. I was always on my phone, constantly refreshing the site for all the 15 minutes intervals. So then after getting fed up for searching it for almost over a month, it was only SSC Tech men whose merit list was pending. So we were expecting our merit list to come out on Monday or Tuesday, but it was not out, and we lost our hopes yesterday. So I thought issued. So today I was not even expecting that our merit list will be out, but since our group has already been created, all those who have been recommended have created a group, and we are in the group. So at around 11 or 12, I got a message in that group. It was a screenshot of one person who is also who will be my course mate very soon. So he sent the screenshot declaring his rank. So the moment like I knew that we in the merit, but whenever you get to see the result, you always get nervous about what will be the merit, get a good rank. So I logged into my portal, and when I saw it was 2, I was happy, but then I thought, why not 1? But that vouch for constantly improving will always help me out. And I guess getting 2 is also fine. At the end of the day, I will be wearing that olive green. So that is what matters at the end of the day. And the person who has got All India rank 1 happened to be recommended with me only. He was the guy who got recommended with me. We were 2 who got recommended, and he also belongs to electronics and communication. He has 1 and I'm 2. And sir, you would be surprised that the person who has got All India rank 3 is also a Gujarati. And his name is Akshay Patel. And sir, he lives in Mumbai.
All 3 are Gujarati?
No, sir. First one is from Delhi. So second, I am Gujarati, and the third person, AR3, is also a Gujarati, Akshay Patel.
Wonderful.
And I was very surprised. So one day we were chatting in the group, and that person in middle of somewhere he typed that I'm the only one from my family, and being Gujarati, no one is there from my family. So I immediately DM'd him that bhai tu akela nahi hai, main bhi hu. So that was the bonding we made. So there are 2 Gujaratis in top 3, and I would like to see more of Gujaratis because we genuinely have very less representation in defense services. And every time I have been to SSB, I have been asked the same question every time in the interview: why you want to land up into the forces? And that's what I want to change. And it will be very inspirational if someone will look up to me and end up into the forces. And though Colonel Vyas sir is doing and sir, I'm finished with my talk.
Good. I'm happy about whatever you said and conveyed to people around here. It's always my pleasure, to talk to you people in life. Before we end today's webinar, we have a message. Valvi, are you there, beta? Valvi Suresh? Anybody who is left out, who has not wished him so far, I find Mr. Rao, Mr. B.S. Parmar, who can please join in if you are sitting here. Immaterial, wherever you are from. We would love to hear you congratulating our achievers. Mr. Parmar, Mr. Rao. Yeah, Miss Parmar, Miss Rao. Okay, fine. I think they don't seem to be here. Otherwise, here is, I've got a message from one of my very close friends. Come, I've introduced him to you earlier in life. He is Captain Murthy. Many of you have seen him, many of you have heard him, and he was there when the governor, Lieutenant General came, sit, met us, and when he spoke to you all. He was very much there at that point in time as a part of it. Today we have got a message from Colonel Suresh, and he conveys his message in a great way that I am online function at that time. Convey wishes to Rutul in these many words, and he has lot to share. And there is an unknown person who has sent a message without his name, congratulating Rutul. Happy for you, Rutul. I am happy for you is another warm, enthusiastic message to add to congratulations text. It's hard to go wrong telling someone you are happy about what they have achieved. More casually, he says, hope you are thrilled about your new. Oh shit, my WhatsApp is full. It's gone halfway through. I could not read it. Anyway, I'll come back to the message of Captain Murthy. Okay, that, mind you, this man is so smart and so practical. He has not only WhatsApp it to me, he had text the whole message also to me. WhatsApp has gone deaf. The text message I am reading through. Dear Rutul, hearty congratulations for crossing the first major milestone in your life towards a career in army. You will be an inspiration to all those in line with Colonel Vyas and team to emulate and follow your footsteps to success. Since you are high in merit, task now is to maintain that edge over your peers and fellow mates. The army has many traditions and values, and it is a way of life. Only very few fortunate get it, and you are a chosen one to relish and pass on. Sure, by the end of training, you will be a man, model officer, leader in uniform, and envy to many eyes. Be proud of your uniform. Be a good officer for your man, a big brother for your peers, and a loyal and trustworthy for your seniors. Be a thinking officer and do lots of good with your innovative mind and actions. Hearty congratulations once again, Rutul, and God bless you in your future endeavor. All the very best and Jai Hind. Captain Murthy, ex-Indian naval aviator. Sorry, signal is weak, though we are close to coast. Kindly congratulate Ritul and pass on my above message for him, Vyas. It would be a great deal. And it's a feather more in your cap. Congratulations. See, these
So
are
that
the
was that was a beautiful poem, I guess, because I was constantly smiling when I was listening to that message, and that, sir, I cannot express. I don't know, sir.
I would only see a smile once Ravil shares the link with me on YouTube. The entire thing will be on YouTube very shortly before Ravil sleeps tonight. And that is why I always, say, when you have a team with you, there is nothing which can stop you from getting what you want in life. So thus, we in the Army, Navy or the Air Force, in the Defense Forces, always look forward to the teamwork. Once you do anything and everything in a team, let me tell you, there must have been many occasions when Rutul must have had a mouthful from me. And mind you, that's always from the heart. Whether I'm scolding you guys and girls or whether I'm taking care of you, it would be always for your benefit and never ever for satisfying my, self-respect or ego for that matter. If you don't put on your cameras on, if you keep hiding yourself, your instructor do not have the feel of you. Urvi, I forgot, I was somewhere halfway through when I was talking about how will you realize whether the person whom you met, how he has felt about it. It got disconnected once the webinar is over. Call back to me. This message is for Urvi Joshi. I'm talking about Urvi and a friend. What's your cousin's name? Achyut. Yeah, Achyut and Urvi. Both of you just give me a video call. We'll just talk about what I was referring to, how to recognize, okay? How the person has felt when you met him for the first time. I think Durgesh has got, sir, can I call you after webinar? You're most welcome, beta. Durgesh, you can always call me. You don't need to ask me. I'm available to speak to you people round the clock 24/7. Anytime you call me. With this, ladies and gentlemen, we would all together have a good toast in our own time on the name of the success of Rutul, wishing him fantastic tenure, a safe tenure, and making the counterparts to sacrifice their lives for their nation and getting laurels to our nation by way of their sacrifice, okay? Keeping himself always safe, keeping himself always in the forefront in whichever arm/services that he joined. I want each one of you to join me to give him a wonderful clapping. The clapping is tuck, 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 tuck. This will last for minimum 10 seconds. So here we go, start our clapping. All of you unmute yourself so that we can all see it together. And yeah, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. My brother. Yeah, unmute yourself. Here we go, clapping him for 10 seconds constantly. 1, 2, 3, start. Tuck. No, I'm not getting it. You're not in the rhythm. Listen, 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 listen. When I say start, we'll do this. This is the one which I want, okay?
Yes,
One
sir.
sec, 1 sec. 1, 2, 3, start. Wonderful. Once again, congratulating you, Rutul, for your grand success. Convey the same and pass it on to both Nilesh and your mother.